His video. Sorry.
Oh my gosh. Videos. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's just say something. This is the African China you are watching. I've been longing to meeting him.
Ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know who this person is, AKA Chief Imo. And this is Maggi. You see these married couples, honestly, they remind me of my mother and my father.
Thank you for the compliments.
And we trust me, please, let's take them to renew our life. you know what's the best thing for these two couples? Divorce. They don't get divorce. They love themselves, but they can cause themselves to die.
We are causes and covenants.
Okay. Join together.
We're not causes.
I will let covenant. After you get same video, I'm going to put him to you.
Because you got like maybe more than 9 on email public. Did you see what I was talking about? Who got 9 on email African China? Makachuku, I am never going to get
This is safety. I just want to smile on top of this camera.
Oh, yeah, I go. I'm gonna selfish. You couldn't have selfish video. I make a
Sure. I know this chair is not
food, you know, dear, but like it. Food, come now. Idea, that's.
Anyway, you know, when you're catechism, because you rely on a cathedral and William, also we high Gaza, my I married with night. Hey.